Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of CloudOpsCentral. I am James. You can check out my website at cloudopscentral.net. You can also visit my website at jamesking.info. Today, we are going to be setting up a Microsoft Azure account, so I do want you to go ahead and head on over to this address right here, or if you already have an account, you probably already know what to do. But let's go ahead, get on over to Azure. Let's pretend we don't have an account. If you do have one, you can go ahead and sign in. Otherwise, we're going to create a Microsoft account. I am going to use the HenSonTim976 at Gmail. And everybody might say, well, can I use a Gmail account to set up a Azure account? Yes, you can. So let's go ahead, enter the email of our choice, and click the next button. Once we click the next button, it will send us a verification email. Let's go ahead, click on the verification email. So let's go to our email account. I have accessed my Gmail account. I walked through this earlier. We do need to go ahead, get the security code. So let's copy that and then we will paste it. I need to make sure that's the right one and not the old one. It is going to ask us some information such as where we're at. Ask for a birthday. You can select your real birthday, or if you want to just create another one, go ahead and create another one. It's probably best to stick with your real one. So let's go ahead and go on. We do need to enter our information. I am going to claim to be Tim Henson for this demonstration. Make sure I spell it correctly and then click next. It does say let's prove you're human. We're going to press and hold the button. Once we press and hold the button, at the time of this recording, this is the CAPTCHA type one I got. It did accept it. We are loading, and let's see what we got next. Microsoft Federation, Portal, Azure.com, Home. It does look like we are signed in. We can start the tour or we can skip the tour. I don't need the tour right now. I'm going to say maybe later. We have an Azure free trial with $200 worth of free credits. This is the one we're going to check on. There are other options, but this is the one we want for our account at this time. So go ahead and select the Start with Azure free trial. It'll take a moment to load depending on your location. Again, we can do pay as you go or try Azure for free. These are some of the options. You can check those out right there. We want to try it for free. Again, we don't know if we're going to like the service or not. Maybe you're a student, maybe you're just trying something and you don't want to spend a lot of money. So let's go ahead and just work on this for free at this particular time. Now, this has already populated my information. It is going to ask us for a phone number. You can enter your phone number and then your address. I will hide all this information while I enter it and get back to you once I completed this. Okay, I did enter the information. It did say something about multi-factor authentication. It went so fast and just skipped to this page. It's easy to do. Just follow along. You won't get lost. And now that we have created the account, we can go ahead and go to our Azure portal. So let's click on this and we should be ready to go. It does look like everything is correct. We're going to leave off at here for the time being. Remember, this is going to be part of our multi-cloud setup for a FinTech company. You can check out my projects. I would like to encourage you to please like and subscribe so that you can follow along with the project, never miss a video. And again, this has been James from CloudOpsCentral. I hope you have a wonderful day and thanks for joining me.